This is Vanessa Chuang, and I will be doing number 51 on page 50. The question asks, a student throws a set of keys vertically upwards to his fraternity brother, who is in a window 4 meters above. The brother's outstretched hand caught the keys 1.5 seconds later. A, with what initial velocity were the keys thrown? And B, what was the velocity of the keys just before they were caught? The question gives you 4 variables. Delta x, which is 4.0 meters, the time, which is 1.5 seconds, and the acceleration, which is negative 9.8 meters per second squared because of gravity in the negative direction. So the picture can be drawn like this. The person throws to his fraternity brothers 4 meters above in the positive direction at a 1.5 seconds with the acceleration at negative 9.8 meters per second squared. From these 3 variables, you know you can use delta x equals the velocity initial times the time plus 1/2 acceleration times squared. You substitute the numbers in, giving you this. And simplify. And that leaves you with 10.02 meters per second going up. And that's your answer to A, which is asking the initial velocity which you just solved for that variable. Part B asks, what was the velocity of the keys just before they were caught, which is the final velocity. And the final velocity can be calculated through this equation. Velocity final equals velocity initial plus acceleration times the time. And then you substitute for the variables. And you solve for velocity final. And you end up with negative 4.68 meters per second. Your answer would actually be the velocity final equals 4.68 meters per second down, because in your picture above you specified that positive direction is up, therefore the negative direction would be down. So then you can convert the negative to a down, giving you your velocity final equals 4.68 meters per second down, which is also the velocity of the keys just before they were caught.